The power of the lever is strong in this one. Look at that, Mo.
It's baby. Rolling down.
You're the guy with the bus, right?
Yeah.
What's the story on it? Is there any rust?
You know, it's rough, Mike.
This is Darren Dembicki. Darren was one of the lead cameramen for 5 years. He only lost his shit on me 2 or 3 times.
Oh, got me that time.
I don't see a fucking thing.
Because you're fucking googly-eyed, you're blind.
I think we should get the my trailer unloaded. Go take a look. Do we have sunshine out here yet? Oh, not yet. Okay, whatever. Okay, we need to fill up this tire. Where are we gonna park this thing? I think it'll go right here. Okay, 2 straps. Let's go get a truck. Air pump. Pump up the tires. The power of the lever is strong in this one. Voila. There's a will, there's a way. Everybody should have one of these, or 2. I have 2. I used to have 3, but 1 walked away. This is one of the greatest inventions. It's just tire pump. Battery-powered tire pump, Milwaukee. Matt launched it off the back of the Firefly the other week. What did you just blow out the side?
Oh no!
My tire pump. You turn it on, so we want 35 pounds, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Push the button. Right now we have 0. Let's see if it's gonna hold air. Oh, we got 1 pound of air in it, 1.5. 2 pounds, and we're climbing. One of the second greatest inventions. Electric winches on your trailer. Remember the old days, I'd have to load and unload everything with a come-along. Talk about painful. I was a lot younger then, younger and dumber and a way better back. Now we have Mr. Worn Winch. Okay, so we don't wear us out, we can wear the worn out. Because I am worn out. What do you think of this? I know someone wants a camper. It doesn't run, but it's a slant 6-cylinder Dodge, 1965. Like a real short school bus, but it's a shorty, right? Powered by the slant 6, the tower of power. I'm just waiting for the guy to call me. Oh, here's Darcy. This is it right here. Morning.
Morning, Mike. How's it going?
Good. So you're the guy with the bus, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what it is, I've got someone that wants a camper. What's the story on it? Is there any rust?
Yeah, there's rust in it. Not really on the floor or anything, but behind the fenders. And, you know, it's rough, Mike.
So do you have a good hood for it?
I don't think I do have one like that. That one could be fixed, no problem.
Okay, so what's your bottom dollar?
$1,000.
Okay, can it sit there a while? Or do you have to get it out of there? Okay, I'll take it. Okay, appreciate it. Thanks, Darcy. It's going to a good home.
Good.
Okay.
Thanks, Mike.
Okay, bye-bye. Now we got to talk to Carl.
Morning, Mike.
Carl, buddy, what year hoods fit 65, 1 ton?
I think the 65 had the louvered hood. Whereas by 68, they had a flat hood.
But they all fit?
Oh yeah, all the hoods will sort of interchange. I don't know about like how they fit around the grill.
No, I just bought a 65 1-ton bus.
I probably got a hood here for you off my parts truck.
Okay, yeah, because it's like the short bus. It's as long as a station wagon.
Oh, nice. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, well, I thought so too. Okay, anyway, I'll send you a picture.
Okay.
Thanks, Carl. Ciao, bud. I think that'd be a cool project because you could upgrade the brakes. I mean, it's a little bigger than a van, but it's the same length as a van, but you've got headspace and shit. What did Carl say? He has a grill, but no pie plates. The guy's probably got the pie plates. See, the pie plates are what goes around the headlights. They could be in the bus as well. There we go. We made a deal. We've booked a couple dates, and it's only 9:23 in the morning. Where's my pumper upper? Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's an extension. It's also a jack handle. It's a multi-purpose tool here at Rust Brothers. See, the reason this thing keeps working is because I never over-tighten it. Like this thing's like 16, 17 years old, this ram, and it just keeps on working. And most people, they crank it really tight, and then it wears out the little seals, and then they quit pumping, it bypasses. But So far, this one's continued to work. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself. This was one of the best things I ever bought off Big Donnie. It's the only thing I actually ever used. See, in hindsight, we should have put this winch in front, and then I get a bigger stroke, right? It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, but then you don't have to pack ramps with you, right?
Is it just gonna slide off?
No, it's gonna roll off.
Oh, roll off.
If it had no tires, we might have to slide it off, but hopefully it's gonna roll off most. You wanna go out. Look at that, eh, Mo?
It's rolling down.
This thing doesn't weigh anything. It is lightweight. Voila. Lined and locked. Ready for the next load. Oh look, Tweedledum. Hey Derek, this is Darren Dembicki, one of the unsung stars of not only Backroad Truckers, but also Rust Valley Restorers. Darren was one of the lead cameramen for 5 years. He only lost his shit on me 2 or 3 times. He was
And my hearing in my right ear.
Who else? Josh?
Hunter.
Hunter, the quiet one. We call him the quiet one. He only lost his shit on me twice in 5 years. Stoic, we call him Stoic. Anyway, these are the guys that made me and Avery look good, and it was not easy. And they know how to bribe me.
Steak for Lincoln.
Steak for Lincoln.
Where are you, buddy?
Oh.
What's this?
Be gentle.
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 Oh, got me that time. Attaboy. What's a bite between the
A little love nip, eh? Hey, Darren, I need a hand pushing. Hang on, we're just gonna push this thing back out of the way. Mine and Matt's joint purchase. Yeah, we're just gonna get it out of the way, eh, Darren? Keep going, keep going. Right there, that's good. Work of art. It's kind of cool, eh? You know why it's cool? It's a 4-seater. See, there's supposed to be a back seat. See, the original Manxes were this long, right? So basically what they did was they took a standard Volkswagen and they cut like 3 feet out of the pan. This one has the same wheelbase as a Volkswagen. Yeah. Right, so I mean, basically that's a Volkswagen floor and they just bolt it right to the top just like a body. Wow. But it's 1/4-inch fiberglass. I mean, it was a good mold.
And when is this project going to be done?
Probably this winter. We're looking at this and one of the Morris convertibles.
You're doing a dune buggy project for winter?
So it's ready for spring.
Okay. You got to test drive it in winter.
Oh yeah.
Better on camera, right?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna fix this light and then we're gonna unhook the trailer. I'll drive the truck out and then we're gonna get the trailer out with the skid steer. I'm just gonna park it in the middle of the yard there. Or are we gonna just back it up and park it here and that saves all the bullshit, yes?
I think so.
Okay. Okay. Beauty. Oh, we're gonna find the first hole. Come on, where are you? There we go. Okay. Come on, baby. Oh, look, here comes young Miss Cassidy. What do you want? Morning, Cass.
Came up, I saw vehicles in the parking lot. What are you guys doing?
I've got a new vehicle showing up. Bought one yesterday and one today. Oh, look at the one I bought this morning.
A bus? A short bus?
A short bus, as long as a car.
That's exactly what you need.
Well, yeah, then I can downsize from a big bus to a little bus. No, but I know someone that wants like a camper van. This thing, the guy has been off the road for 20 some odd years. Guess what I paid for it?
I don't know, $500.
1,000. He wanted 2. He says, for you, special. I said, sold.
Oh, now you're gonna have 3 buses here.
Yeah, well, one's storage. And this would be pretty cool just because it's
Yeah.
the same size as a van, but you got twice as much room,
Yeah.
right? So whatever. Except it's on the island. I gotta figure out who I'm gonna hoodwink into bringing it up for the price of gas, so I don't have to pay ferry both ways. Oh, let's abuse Avery some more. Let's get some free content out of Avery today, shall we, guys? You think? Oh my God. Why am I such a dick? Those that can't do torment those that can.
See your red button right there? Right there.
I don't see a fucking thing.
Because you're fucking googly-eyed, you're blind.
Where are you?
I'm at Raven having a coffee. What's on your mind?
Come and get your shirts or I'm gonna throw them in the dumpster.
I forgot all about you. They were even there.
Yeah, and you're supposed to give me $50, but because it's only one box, I'll only charge you 25.
No, you're right, Mike.
You agreed, I got a witness.
I tell you what, yeah. I'll sell you a boat. Okay, I'll see you in a while. I'm gonna drive by in an hour or two. Okay, bye.
Okay, good, yeah, okay, yeah, you can look at my latest acquisition.
What is it, a blow-up doll?
No, I bought a Scout.
Oh, cool. Okay, bye.
Okay, ciao, bye. Hey guys, remember, if you like the videos, do us a favor, like, subscribe, share, and comment. I don't get to all the comments. There's 100 and something thousand of them, but once in a while, I will try. Watch for our lives, and remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy. Do a good deed today. The world needs more good deeds.